Hello, hello, welcome to Shot Appliances Repair. As you can hear, it is running. And it is got soap in it, seems like. But it is all working so far. Put that back down. I've got some new clutch, or a new belt coming for it. And a couple other things coming for it, spring and everything else. Uh, as you can tell, it spits out water pretty good too. Now somebody can play in the mud now. Ain't that right? Ooh, that's some cold water too. It ain't gonna stop now. It's going. Huh. That's a lot of water. Oh. Huh. Okay. But I do have some stuff coming for it. And let's see, I was working on this one too. I got some of it vacuumed out. And then I was trying to take the door apart, but I'm gonna take these screws out and see if that works or not, because it was not coming out very well with me. I don't want to break anything else. So, let's see, where is my screwdriver at? I got to organize my shop. Let's go ahead and take this one off, just to be on the safe side. I don't know how far that one is in there, because it looks like pretty far though. Put that right there. What? What is that doing? Yeah, it's making a lot of noise, ain't it? There's that one. There's this one. Alright, now the middle one. Yeah. Good. Huh. Yeah, the very first one I've seen done that. And there's a big seal that goes around the front part that's pretty much gone. Yeah, that's not too good. And then now this switch thing here. What? I love you. Yeah, it's pumping water out of it. Hmm. Well, this might not work very well. But, okay. Let's see. And it's just filthy with lint in this thing. And there's a roller on this side that's right here that's messed up. Let's see if I can get this out without tearing it up here. I gotta put you guys down for a moment somewhere here. Drop it and mess it up now. Shut up. Come right on here. And where is my... Finally got that piece off of it. And when the people shows you, different ways of doing it, sometimes it's not very easy. It's not. Let's see, we gotta unhook that one. I guess I could unhook it there. Yeah, I will unhook it there. I gotta take this off. Check in there. Because I guarantee it's probably nasty. Or I can take the whole thing off. I might just take the whole thing off. Yeah, I'll just do that. Might just do that. And then I had another one. Where did she go off to now? Oh, she's back there playing in the mud now. You know what? See, I thought I had another magnet. Yep, there it is. Another magnet here that I will use for this one. All the stuff that I use, I like to try to keep it organized, but sometimes it don't happen very well. But I like to try to keep it organized no matter what. And good thing about them, you can set them on the sides. Okay. Okay, now what I was looking for is this one. Take this one off. And as you can tell, I mean, it is very, very nasty. And I am just very, very surprised that it did not, fully catch on flame and burn everything down. I mean, this is a very, very bad, bad case of the, not really cleaning it very well. Just glad it didn't blow up in flames. Because if it would have, that would have been a very bad thing where it was sitting at. Because the dryer was sitting in the far corner close to the gas line, or the gas line, really close to this where this thing was sitting at. So, if it would have happened to it, go in flames, it would have been a very bad deal. Very, very, very bad deal. It's going to take me at least a couple hours or two to clean all this dust and stuff. It is that bad. I mean, wow. And then the front sill right here, that one will have to be replaced. I think I might have one I can use that maybe is that long, but I'm not really for sure on that one. I have to see what the number says. Well, I might have one, I don't know. Man, look at all that dust and lint and everything else. This is why you need to have your dryers checked for lint buildup. This buildup can be very, very bad very quickly. And I will show you more when I get into it here. And the wash machine's going. Huh. It's gonna sound like I hear noises. Now, I'm not for sure how this is going to work with one hand and I'm recording with the other one with my phone. I'm not really for sure how this is going to work. It might fall and scare the crap out of me. Don't know yet. Well, let's see. It won't fall too far because that one's got to be undone. I think that's it. It looks like the only one that's holding that one. Oh yeah, it's gonna move on me. I already can tell. Yeah. Oh, and I still didn't undo that wire. I gotta undo that wire before I do anything else. And I will take a flat screwdriver, very small one, put in between the points. Yeah, just that. Alright, that one's done. I stabbed myself. I don't like to stab myself, but I did. Right now, taking this one off. Let's see if it scares me. I want to make a bad that scares me. Yep, yeah, no, didn't fall too bad. But the question is how bad it is in there. Yep, there goes that roller. Wow. That roller is completely gone. And there's a lot of trash in there. I mean, a lot of trash in there. Might find, well, I do find a lot of money when I'm doing these. Oh, it broke the seal on that too, didn't it? At least it didn't tear up the fan. There's a lot of metal. Huh, I don't know what that is. And then here's the other one. Wow, that is pretty bad. Toothpicks in there. I'll take it out here in a minute. I've got the dryer here, or the wash machine. Oh my goodness, you're muddy. Playing in the mud. Oh my goodness. What's it doing now? Power wash, nice. And so I guess it's ready to go. I just have to let them know. Really didn't do very much to that one. That might be good right there, I'm not for sure. Let's go ahead and drop this film out here if we can. Alright. Now, I'm going to show you guys inside this dryer here what I am talking about. Lint. That buildup right there is bad. It's burnt. Very bad. Do not let dryers get this bad. They can cause a very, very, very bad problems. Very bad. And that's why the pulley's bad too. It melted it. And that's why the dryer wouldn't work right no more. That safety switch right there. And that's kind of a good thing because, I mean, it did catch on fire quite a bit. So do not let your dryers build up this bad. Clean them. Make sure somebody can get to them and look at them. Make sure all the seals are good on them. Because this could have been a very, very bad thing for this person. But that's all I have right now. I'm going to have to let you guys go. Have a good day. Have a good Sunday. And have a good weekend.